Hello guys, this is my art integration project of computer science on error and exceptions handling. Errors. Errors are of four types: semantic error, logical error, runtime error and syntax error. First of all is semantic error. It occurs when the statements are not meaningful. For example, x plus y equal to z. Second is logical error. It occurs when the logic of the program is incorrect. Example, assigning wrong value to variable. Third is runtime error. It occurs during the execution of the program. Example, division by 0. Fourth is syntax error. When the formal rule of language are not followed. Example, x equal to 9, x is equal to 9. Now exceptions. Error detected during the execution are called exceptions. Example of exception. Let we suppose a and b variable. We want to print a by divisible by v. We take first as 25 and second 0. It will print the 0 division error. This is exception. We cannot divide any number by 0. Exception handling. To handle exceptions, we call two type of block: try and except statement. The try block contains code that might throw an exception. If the exception occurs, the code in the try block stops being executed and the code in except block is executed. If no error occurs, the code in the except block does not execute. Example of exception handling. Let we suppose two variables x and y, in which x assigned to 5 and y assigned to 4. We use try block. In try block, we want to print x divided by y. If the program runs, then it will print. If not, then we use except block. In except block, let's suppose we want to print division does not occur, an error message. If we run the code, it will divide 5 by 4 and give the output 1.25. Let we change 4 to 0. We know that we cannot divide any number by 0. It will show in the except block division is not possible. Now we want to do other calculation except then division. Let we suppose put in the exception block print x plus y. It gives the output 5.
Now we want to see the what error occur in the try block. For that we use exception in except block. Let's suppose we put exception as e, assigning as e, and print e. Then it will print the error message that what occur error in the try block. It will show the division by 0 error. Let we take an variable a that will take integer value from the user, and we want to print twice of that value. We put it in the try block. If we run the code, we put the 4 to go to the try block. It will print 1.25 division and ask for enter value. If I enter 3, it will print 6, twice of that. If I enter p, it will show error because p is not an integer. Invalid division is not possible. It will give in the except block, so it will. Let's suppose we know the exception error, so we will put it in except block by giving it as name, like division 0 division error, value error. If 0 division error occur, it will division it not possible. If value or error occur, it will print invalid error, anything you want. And for other error, you can type exception as it that we use previously. And in except we can print any message like something is wrong. Now if I run the code, it will print the try block output and asking for number. If I enter R, it will print invalid value. If I will print divide C by 0, it will print value. So block of the exception handling. Now there is another block in exception handling. For example, if when we working with the file, if we open a file, then we have to close it. For that, let we do exception handling. Let we open a file for any error message. After error, we close the file. If I run the code, this file is open but not closed. If I put when file is closed, exception block. Exception handling, we want to perform any operation, then we go to the finally block. Thank you.